Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix add music option not showing in Instagram post. If you want to fix add music option not showing in Instagram post, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app or website on your mobile phone. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, go ahead and create a new account to continue. Now, tap on the profile icon shown at the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. It will take you to the settings and activity area. Scroll down and select the creator tools and controls. From here, tap on switch account type. Here, select the switch to the business account. Follow the on-screen steps to set it up. Once your account is switched to a professional public account, you will be able to access more features, including adding music. Go back and find the account privacy option. Then, tap on it and disable the account privacy. Make sure that your account is a public account. Open the Google Play Store or App Store. Next, type Instagram in the search bar, and check if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on update to install the latest version, as updates often fix bugs and performance issues. If you still do not see the option, go to help in your settings. Tap on report a problem, or simply shake your phone, and the option to report will appear. Here, you can explain that when you create a post, it does not show the music option to add music. You need help to fix it. After completing these steps, it will help you fix the issue. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.